Judgment reserved Moodley's retrial application, and Gordon says South Africa's economic growth will be below 3%. I'm Labuschagne with this news update. Judgment has been reserved in the retrial application of convicted killer Donovan Moodley in the High Court in Johannesburg. Judge Joop Labuschagne says he will take time to consider arguments before deciding whether to grant Moodley a retrial. Judgment will be handed down next Wednesday. Moodley was convicted of the 2004 kidnapping and murder of Bond University student Lee Matthews. Over the past 2 days, he's told the court that he was forced by the state to take full responsibility for the crime. He insists that 3 drug dealers were responsible for Matthews' murder. Finance Minister Pravin Gordhan says South Africa's economic growth will certainly be below 3% this year due to the impact of a slowdown in Eurozone economies. He was addressing a news conference at the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland. He says Europe is a major trading partner for South Africa and problems there have had a major impact on South African manufacturing industry and other export sectors. The government's official growth forecast is 3.4%. Gordhan will release updated forecasts in his February 22nd budget. Government has said it needs GDP growth of 7% to make a dent in unemployment. Parliament's Environmental Affairs Committee has heard that there is a power struggle between government, provincial departments and some private rhino owners in the fight against poaching. Committee Chair Johnny Delanga says it is unacceptable that rhino strategies are being blocked by individuals, departments, laws and regulations. He says if provinces are not doing their jobs properly and if it's a question of a species dying, then power will be better served at a central level. A total of 448 rhinos were poached in 2011. This month, 28 rhinos have been poached so far. And Metrorail has launched an SMS service to help commuters find out about train schedules. Metrorail's KwaZulu-Natal Communications Manager Tantim Kiza says this will enable them to timelessly send information about any changes of time to commuters.
Metrorail in KZN, currently we are busy with the SMS campaign where we go out to different stations. Currently, as I'm speaking, we are at Stenger Station, where we are informing our customers about the SMS system, whereby they'll have to send their name and the train number that they use to the 5-digit number, which is 34241. Thereafter, we'll be able to collect that information and save it in our database. Whenever there are some problems that we encounter in our service, we'll be able to inform our customers on time that maybe their trains have delayed or else they'll have to use alternative transport.